Let's see the book exercise, children. Give the correct verb form for the following sentence. First one, I was reading the poem. Second one, they dash write the poem. The verb given here is write. So we have to form the past continuous tense. So for past continuous tense, what is the formula? Subject plus was or were plus verb ing. Here the subject is they. They means plural. So we have to write were. Verb here is write. So we have to add ing. So the answer is were writing. They were writing the poem. Third one, it dash go to Delhi. So here the verb is go. So what is the subject here? It. If it is the subject, we have to add was. So with go, we have to add ing. So going. So the answer is it was going to Delhi. Fourth one, she dash a picture. So here the verb is draw. So here the subject is she singular. So we have to add was. Draw plus ing, drawing. So the answer is she was drawing a picture. Fifth one, we dash fruits. So here the given verb is eat. So here the subject is we. We means plural. So we have to add were. Eat plus ing, eating. So the answer is we were eating fruits. Next one, he dash movie. So here the given verb is watch. So here the subject is he. He means singular. So we have to add was. Watch plus ing, watching. So the answer is he was watching movie. Next one, you dash lunch. Here the verb is make. So here the subject is you. So we have to add were. Make plus ing, making. So the answer is you were making lunch. Next one, write what they were doing at 5 o'clock yesterday. I was I was playing cricket with my friends. Here the subject is I, so we have to write was, and since it is a continuous action, we have to write playing. I was playing cricket with my friends. My mother dash the TV. My mother is singular, so we have to add was watching the TV. Third one, we. We is plural, so we have to add were. We were eating mango. Fourth one, my friends dash their bicycles. Friends, so it is plural, so we have to write were riding their bicycles. Next one, Mohan dash a letter. Mohan is singular, so I have to write was writing a letter. Next one, the bell dash loudly. The bell is singular, so I have to write was. The bell was ringing loudly. Next one, see and write what they were doing. First one, while I was writing, he dash. In this picture you can see what he was doing. He was sleeping. Next picture, while the boy was playing, the girl dash. What the girl was doing? The girl was reading. In this picture, while my mother was cooking, my father dash. What his father was doing? Was chopping. So the answer is my father was chopping. Next one, give the correct verb form for the following sentences. So this one you have to write into a future continuous sentence. They dash, in the bracket they have given the verb come. So future means what is the formula? Subject plus will be plus verb ing. So the subject here is they, verb will be, then main verb come plus ing, coming. So the answer is they will be coming. Next one, it will be playing, she will be swimming, we will be drinking, he will be doing, you will be taking leave. Okay, next one, Uma's family is going on a holiday. Write what they will be doing there. See, this is Uma's family. You can see in the picture. See what Uma is doing. So this you have to write in the future continuous form. Okay. What Uma will be doing? Uma will be swimming. Next one, her brother will be playing. Next, her brother will be climbing. Her father will be cooking. Her mother will be fishing. Her brother will be taking photos. Next one, change the sentence from past continuous to future continuous. So they have given the sentences in past continuous form. We have to change into future continuous sentences. Okay, she was waiting for bus. So we can identify was waiting. Was waiting past continuous. So இதை நம்ம future continuous மாற்றணும். Future continuous ஓட formula என்ன? Will be waiting. So the answer is she will be waiting for bus. Next one, they were going to Coimbatore. Were going. So were going என்றதை எப்படி மாற்றணும்? Will be going. So the answer is they will be going to Coimbatore. Suresh was playing chess. Was playing எப்படி மாற்றணும்? Will be playing. So the answer is Suresh will be playing chess. Rafiq was eating breakfast. Was eating எப்படி மாற்றணும்? Will be eating. So the answer is Rafiq will be eating breakfast. Prashant was reading newspaper. Was reading எப்படி மாற்றணும்? Will be reading. So the answer is Prashant will be reading newspaper. See the next one. Change the sentence from future continuous to past continuous. I will be speaking to her. So இந்த will beங்கிறத past tense மாற்றணும். So I வரும்போது past tenseல எது யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? Very good. Was. I was speaking to her. இந்த will be speaking எடுத்துட்டு was speaking மாற்றணும். Next one, Lucy will be getting ready. So Lucyங்கிறது singular. So we have to write there was. Lucy was getting ready. The train will be arriving on second platform. So in the will be தூக்கிட்டு we have to write the train was arriving on second platform. We will be sleeping in terrace. So will be எடுத்துட்டு weங்கிறது plural. So we have to write were. We were sleeping in terrace. It will be raining heavily. So it வரும்போது என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? Was. It was raining heavily. Okay. Thank you children. Have a nice day.